What's up, y'all? It's Tim Lee. Welcome back to my channel, and I found myself in a bit of a pickle. Here's the problem. Now, some of you may know I purchased this house in 2020 using the BRRRR method. Now, the BRRRR method is you buy it, you renovate it, you rent it out, you refinance it, and then you repeat the whole process over again with the next house. And I happen to be in the middle of renovating it and renting it out. Now, here's the problem. A similar house just 2 doors down from me just listed a house for about $30,000 to $40,000 less than what I was thinking this house was worth. That affects me because when I go to refinance this house, I know they're gonna use that house as a comparable sale to determine how much my house is worth. And unfortunately, it has 1 extra bedroom than mine. So because of that, I decided to finish renovating it and then switch out the renting it out and the refinance process. Because the sooner I get it refinanced, the better. Now here's another problem. That house already has a contract on it. So that gives me about 30 days to finish renovating this house and start the refinance process. And here's the biggest problem of them all. I still have a lot of work to do. I mean, I didn't even really start on the basement. Luckily, just last week, I had my contractor come over. He framed out the laundry room, put up the drywall, and painted it. But I still have so much work to do and so little time to do it. So with that being said, it's time to get to work and finish this house. I figured the best place for me to start would be in the laundry room on the flooring because like I said, my contractor just came out last week. He framed it, he put up the drywall, and he painted it. Since I'm gonna put carpet in the bedrooms, I chose to go with the luxury vinyl plank that I had through the rest of the house because I don't want too many different floorings throughout the house. Right now I'm putting down the underlayment since it's going on top of cement, and that's just the moisture barrier between the cement and the luxury vinyl planks. Now I'm working my way through the hallway. Thank God the hallway is not that big. And I'm working my way up the stairs, putting the same luxury vinyl planking on the steps. And now it's time to empty out this bathroom because I plan on putting in a new shower, new flooring, and a new vanity. So here's a quick update for this bathroom. To get the tile up, I use my old friend Jack. You know, jackhammer, I used them before in the upstairs bathroom. When I took the vanity and stuff out, I saw that the walls was kind of, looked like it had water damage. So the plumbing, it was actually a leak in this pipe right here. So I replaced that. This is my first time doing that. And as you can see, look at the solder I got all over that. But it fixed the job. I didn't do this one yet, but for this one, I cut the pipe right here. And then I had to attach one of these to it. And then put a new pipe right here, then attach one of these to it. And then another pipe right here. And then I had to solder all this up with my torch that I had to get. So now I got to do this over here. I'm gonna do it a lot. Hopefully I don't make a mess like I did. I don't think I put enough of the flux on that pipe, so this time I'm try to do it a lot better, and we'll see how it turns out. But yeah, after I do that, I do gotta finish getting some of the floor up. I got most of the floor up because I'm ready to put this luxury vinyl plank through out here. But I'm probably gonna just I'm gonna finish this, of course, and then work on the shower. And the shower is probably gonna be the toughest part of the entire renovation of the entire house. It was about 3 inches of concrete. I used the jackhammer here and got it all up out of here, and I'll actually put all of the concrete right here, there and there, and you don't even want to see what this room looks like, just a bunch of junk. But anyway, I don't know what I want to do. I thought about actually putting a shower pan in here, just a base. I already found the one that I would want that already fit the measurements for this space, but the problem with that is this drain is not in the center. And on the one I would buy, the drain is actually in the center. So I would have to dig up in this concrete, get the dirt and the gravel or whatever's down there, get that out the way, cut a hole in the pipe, and move the drain over about 3 to 4 inches. And I might have to move it back some too, because I think the drain would be over a little bit this way and it's back this way. So I would have to move the drain. Now, do I feel like doing all that? No, I don't. Or I could just put some mortar down here and lay some tile. So I might do that. That way I won't have to go and move the plumbing.
2 hours later.
So I decided to just go ahead, dig up in the concrete and move the plumbing. Now this is probably going to be my hardest task yet through the whole renovation process of the entire house, but I'm up for the challenge. But I still got to work quickly though, because I'm still on a tight timeline.
Pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Just cut off a 45-year-old cast iron pipe. This made the job a little bit harder than it had to be, but good thing I had my grinder with the diamond blade on it. Finally finished relocating the shower drain. This is like dead center in the middle of the shower. I don't know why the original wasn't, but had to relocate it. Pretty much got the PVC pipe coming down to a P-trap, and I got a couple of 90-degree couplings going into the original pipe. All right, time to fill this hole back up and lay some more cement.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up.
All right, this is how it looks with the shower base down. As you can see, the shower drain fits right into the shower drain opening. And as for the shower itself, I plan on getting the shower surround walls that have the direct stud installation and installing that. So we'll see how that turns out. Now it's time to do what I hate doing the most, painting. All right, the bathroom is coming along pretty nice. The floor is done, the paint is done. I got a new vanity. The shower is done. But now we have to empty out that room with all the junk in it, because when you're renovating a house, you don't think about where you're putting all of the stuff that you're getting rid of. So it's just all piled up in the room. I ordered a dumpster. Me and Tiffany got to clear that room out so we could paint the room and get carpet installed. Welcome to Paint and Sip. You see, we painting and we sipping. Sipping on some margaritas. As you can see, she ain't doing no paint. She's just doing all the sipping.
Yeah.
I hate painting. It's just so annoying. But I gotta get it done because the carpet gets installed tomorrow. Getting carpet installed today and had to clear out all of the rooms, so had to clear it out. Had to clear it out. Look at the laundry room. Just the thought of putting all this stuff back. It's been about 2.5 weeks since I started finishing up this house, and I must say, I made a lot of progress. But I'm not quite finished yet. But since all of the major stuff is done, I decided to go ahead and just start the refinance process and have the appraiser come over here and appraise the house. But he probably won't be here for another week or so that still gives me a little more time to finish up. But anyway, I've been working my butt off to get this house finished. That house down the street that messed everything up is still under contract and they could be closing any day now. So I need to hurry up and get the appraiser here to appraise my house, because once he appraises it, he can't use any houses that sold after the appraisal date. So it's very important that I get him over here as soon as possible. Now let's keep our fingers crossed and hope everything goes well with this refinance process, and I'll let y'all know how it turned out. That being said, thank you guys for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel so you can see exactly how this whole thing is gonna turn out. And last but not least, I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.